to my kitchen. So today I'm going to be showing you a recipe for banana bread. So for this recipe, you'll need 2 to 3 very ripe bananas, like this. 1/3 cup of butter melted. Just put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds until it's liquidy. 1 pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cup of sugar. You can increase this to 1 cup if you want your bread to be more sugary, or decrease it to half a cup if you want it to be less sugary. And you'll also need 1 egg beaten, like this, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1.5 cups of flour. You can also optionally add in more things such as cinnamon or even walnuts. So let's get started. So first you start with your bowl, and we're going to put our bananas in. So peel your banana and drop it in your bowl. Okay, banana peels. And now you're gonna take a fork and you're gonna mash these bananas. So this is why you need your bananas to be ripe, so that it's easier to mash them. Try to get as many lumps out as you can. This. And next you're going to stir in your melted butter. So here's my melted butter, and stir that in. Next, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So next is baking soda, and you need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Put that in. Okay. And you need salt. So here's my salt, and you're just going to add a pinch of salt. So just put a little bit on your hand and go ahead and drop some in. Go. Next, you're going to add your egg that was beaten, like this. Put that in there. And your vanilla extract. So you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Go. And now you need flour. So 1.5 cups of flour. Flour. There's 1 and 1/2. Like that. And next you add your sugar. So I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Mix that up a little bit. Get the clumps out. There we go. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And again, you can add more sugar if you want it to be more sweet, or less if you want it to be less. Okay. And stir this up. Now you can add any add-ins that you want. So I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Just a little bit in there. And I'm also going to add some walnuts. Just my walnuts. Put some in there. Oh, and here is my banana bread mix. So next, you're going to take a buttered pan. Here is my buttered pan, and you're going to pour your mix inside. And bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes or until a toothpick that's inserted comes out clean. So I baked my banana bread, and this is how it turned out. And here's a close-up on one of the slices. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.